Hey guys, and welcome. Right, it is a beautiful sunny day, and I am going to go out and enjoy the sun, maybe grab a bit of dinner out, and I'm going to be heading towards Regensburg. So that should be quite good. We're seeing lots of roadworks at the moment. Slightly unorthodox there, but hey, it works. Yeah, don't go on green, Mr. Audi. And let's head out. An old hog in front. You can't help it. Actually, I like hogs, I just wish I could get on with them. I've been spoiled by a K1600 that makes most other motorcycles really difficult to live with. Now what do? Do we start with the dash up the autobahn, finish with one, take a little bit of sweeping roads? Yeah, sweeping roads win. Come on, Mr. Ford, get out the way. Thanking you. I love it when a K1600 starts singing. Now I'm going to plump in behind here. And I forgot, that's a learner, so I should have gone in front. Bumps, that means we're going to be going around this nice beautiful bend really slowly, so I'm going to have to back off because it's a learner, and you don't want any misunderstandings with a learner, because more than likely the learner will panic. It's too nice today to be stuck in the house, so I decided not to be. I am going to go past this because I want to be in front. And apart from that, I am so much quicker than it. Now we're going to take the long route out to Regensburg. I'm not going to do it quickly because we're going to do a nice long route. German peeing on the side of the road. Thank God that's not a sight you see every day. Now the reason that we're coming this way, and the reason that we're riding, and there's such a lot of testing of these tyres, is that throughout the whole of their life I'm going to show the testing of what's going on with the road pilots and what is going on with the K1600 on a set of road pilots, and they're the Road Pilot 6. And we're having great fun with them, I tell you. Beautiful day, 23 degrees, and you can't complain about a damn thing. The one thing I have noticed is I'm down on fuel and I forgot to fill up, so I will be filling up shortly. I've been asked a few times about the windscreen. Yes, it is the C. Bailey's. It was apparently the last one left. So I'm sorry guys, you can't buy it for love nor money. Was it worth it? Hell yeah. As you can see, I'm still slightly taller than it, but it does give me much better protection. And then during the warm times, I can open the vents and get some additional ventilation through, so that's all pretty good. Now on Sam's website, demonicangriel.com, there is a review of another screen that is as good but doesn't have the vents, and Stefan very kindly did the review for that. He uses it himself, so you have a real user using the system, the windscreen. So that's pretty good, and it's an honest assessment, and he's done a great job of it. Check it out, and I'm also thinking of reintroducing the monthly updates. Maybe doing, you know, something on the products that I'm using, just to see what people think. I'm not going to argue with that bloody big tractor, because I would come off second, I guarantee it. I want to be in front of that dumper truck. I'm so glad that he's turned off. So the first fuel station I see, I'm going to have to pull in and get some. Flip the visor a bit because it's a little bit warm in here. Nice overtake there from fourth gear. I'm heading towards Regensburg, and then after that I'm heading towards Regensburg. I'm heading towards Regensburg because there's a fuel station there, and then I can veer off and head towards Regensburg after that.